Right, so I bought myself a camera cage, and the reason I bought it is because I want to attach other devices to my camera, and I can't get them all on. They're like a bigger monitor than that, because it comes with a monitor anyway, but I'd like a bigger one so that I can see more detail what I'm looking at when I'm filming myself. So with that, we'll do the unboxing and we'll talk about it. It came like that, but I don't think it's been opened. Hopefully not anyway. So I bought an actual kit, so you get more than one product. So that's that little baby out of the way. So this should be a little arm. I bought a little arm, for an extended arm, so I can attach other things to it. But we're going to do the rig itself first. It cost me about £120 or just under, and that is for this and that as well. So we'll get the main bit out first. And the idea behind one of these is it allows you to do multi-attachments to your camera. Say for instance you've got a microphone and you want to put a monitor on there and maybe something else. This will allow you to do it. That's the idea behind one of these. And I want to stick more than just a microphone on mine, so that's why I bought one. Just in a plain box with a SMALLRIG printed on it, so nothing really to look at. Comes in a plastic bag. Looks like it's bubble wrapped as well. It says SMALLRIG. Plastic bags can be dangerous. It's a nice bit of bag actually, I might keep that. You never know what you're going to need it for. What's this? It's got a Q code. Open the link or scan the Q code to get dedicated VIP services from SMALLRIG. That's what it says. See that? So a set of screws with an Allen key. So there's 4 screws in there. Like I said, this is there's an empty bag. I've been robbed. I hope not. Right, what we've got here? We have an arm. This is a handle. I'm going to say an arm, but it's a handle. This is half a rig, by the way. It's not a full size one. It only goes on half the camera, which is all I want really. It goes in either that way or that way. I'm not sure yet. We will have a look, and look at this. So there's no instructions. There's no instructions, so we're going to have to work it out for ourselves. Hopefully it won't be too complicated. Let's do this one as well. With my knife, It was all sealed, so you know, should be everything in there anyway. And this, my babies, is a little extension. It's quite heavy. So another Q code. There's a lot of Q codes. Open a link or scan the Q code to get dedicated VIP services from SMALLRIG. Same as the other one. And this is the arm. It's an attachment, so you can attach another device, which is what I want. So with that, shall we have a closer look? Right, they are the bits you get, and then I ordered that to go with it. So now all we've got to do is figure out how to assemble it. Right, I've had a quick look, and looking at that bit there goes in that bit there. So it's got a little cutout there. Should go in, yeah, see, like that. Turn it around. So you've got that cut out. And you've got that cut out. So that's quite easy. So we're going to do that first. Oh, it's the wrong size. Two different size screws there. or Allen keys, and I've only got the one Allen key. Well, that's quite easy. And this is the handle, and you can position it either that way or that way. I'm not sure at the moment. I'll probably go that way, to be quite honest with you. There's only one size Allen key. Well, luckily I had my own Allen keys, but that's not a very good start, is it? So I'm going to put it in that way for now. I might turn it around later. Okay, it's alright, isn't it? And this goes in one of these. Like so. And this can have adjusted how you like. Da, da, da. Right, let's try the camera on it now, shall we? Right, let's see how easy it is to attach it to my camera. So first of all, I've got to remove it from the tripod. Take off this bit on the bottom, the cold shoe connection. And now, from what I understand, is you just slide it on, like so. So that's it, and you get a screw. I found another screw. And that just screws in the bottom. A little hole down there. That just screws in there. Somehow. Turn it upside down. That's it. So that's going to hold it into place. So there's a little screw on the bottom. See that? I took the arm off, or the handle. Took the handle off for now. I'll put it back on in a second. And then we want the cold shoe connection back on. There's several holes here, so I'm going for the smallest middle one. But right, make sure it's dead straight. There you go. And then that should go on to there, like it was. So that's that. And then we can put this back on, which I'm going to have that way. It's going to go on that way. Plonk them on. I haven't got an Allen key. Well, I didn't get one come with this. I've got one Allen key come, but it doesn't fit this side screw. It's holding that in place nicely. This arm can go on straight up anywhere you like. So I'm going to put it down here actually. It's got quite a few choices of holes. You can put it down there or up here. I'm going to put it down here. I don't need it too high. Cold shoe. So yeah, so the cold shoe could go on there if you wanted to. So you could have a cold shoe on there, like so. Yeah, that'd be cool. But it's a little bit close to that handle and I want access to this handle. In case I move the camera at any time. So that's why I bought this. How's that looking? Let's take this off. Da, da, da. Yeah, baby. Looking good, looking good. So I need to sort out a short HDMI lead, but this will do for now. On pan? Oh look, desk view, best view, or desk view. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. So I just need to do a restart. So there you go. That's looking good. Well, let me know what you think. I think it looks really good. It gives me a bigger display so I can see what's going on, see if I'm in focus or if it's actually looking at the right product and things like that. It allows me to keep the microphone attached. I'll probably move the microphone and probably put it onto that one, and then I'll probably move this handle round the other way and connect it, and I will change the HDMI lead to a shorter one just to make it nice and tidy with a little bit of slack in there. But yeah, it looks really good. It looks really professional. I'm very pleased. You know, I was a little bit disappointed in perhaps a lack of information, but then there's a Q code that I could have just scanned or gone to the website and it probably would have told me everything I needed to know on that. So with that, I'm going to have a little play about it, and I'll catch you later. Oh, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe.